Okay, so welcome back. Today I'll be going over Fruity Compressor. Now, Fruity Compressor is a legacy plugin, so it's very old. I'm pretty sure that the equivalent of this is just in Fruity Limiter, which is why it's not like talked about or anything. However, you can still find it as a standalone plugin inside of FL Studio. So as you could have guessed, it is a compressor. So we've got controls for the threshold, the ratio, the gain, the attack, the release, and the type of compression. So this threshold is where the compressor will start kicking in, so you can set that. Ratio is the amount of input volume that will be compressed, so you can mess around with that one. Gain is just the volume pretty much. And attack and release are the times it takes for the compressor to kick in, so you could have it instantly kick in, or you could wait for it a bit and then you can have it instantly go away, or wait for it a bit. And finally, with the type, we can choose between hard, medium, vintage, soft, and then hard/R, medium/R, vintage/R, and soft/R. So hard will be just absolutely cutting off everything above that line or that threshold here, as compared to the soft, where it would be like sort of smooth and won't be as noticeable. It would be a bit more subtle, I guess. But that's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.